Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, February 11th. We're looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So a couple of things to keep in mind. Inside days yesterday, which is going to be important if and when we come out of them. Also small range, second smallest range of the year yesterday in ES. So there's always the possibility of taking out both sides, okay? It was the lightest volume of the year, okay? That becomes harder and harder to do, but only 26 million shares in SPY yesterday. You do have Powell testifying both today and tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, keep that in mind. CPI is out tomorrow morning. Righty right now, also an inside day, trading below yesterday. So we'll see if they're going to try to gap lower out of it. ES and NQ also spending time at yesterday's lower end. NQ's right at it. ES is just above it. Wide overnight POC so far, 15 wide in ES. NQ's only 13 at the moment. I want to see if I'm still in full point increments. I am. Remember, ES had a double distribution day yesterday that held, but again, it was a P shape. Just like when they gap lower, it ends up with a B shape. We have trend days up, they end up as a P shape, as it's just emotional short-term traders back and forth within this balance. So again, game plan. You come out of an inside day, you go with it and monitor for continuation, and just as importantly, lack of. And when you're in balances like these, a lot of times lack of will take precedence over continuation. So please remember that. There's still 75 minutes to go before the opening, but as of right now, early on, value would be firmly in favor of the bears. Remember, ES could never get out of the lower distribution from Friday, right? Now they're firmly in it and possibly coming out of an inside day to the downside. NQ couldn't get acceptance into the upper distribution from Friday. Traded back and forth through it all day, and now again, they, for now at least early on, have rolled over. Okay? So, the thing to keep in mind is to monitor and or look for lack of continuation. And then chart-wise, and again, if you're in this room, I'll be leading you through all this starting at 9:15 in the morning. So look at that. Look at that little range we had yesterday. 26 million shares. Again, you can call it a 5-day balance. But again, for those of you who don't watch on a regular basis, I think this whole balance here is the big thing that has to be resolved to get more of a significant move, either higher or lower. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.